Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T Pro and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Let's tap on it, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and since it is highlighted in this yellowish color, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, so let's open it. And as you can see, both of those panels are connected with the resolution. So here, first of all, let's take a look at this first one. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. The 720p, 1080p, which is currently applied because it is highlighted in this yellow color. We've got also 4K and 8K. And the other panel is with frames per second, and it is tightly connected with the resolution. So we've got 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. It depends on the resolution which one you will be able to pick. So in order to actually change the resolution, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the option. So let me pick, for example, 8K. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, and the frames per second were automatically changed to the 24 option. As you can see, and the 30 and 60 options are not active, so it means that we can only pick 24 frames per second. And another situation in 4K, because we've got 30 and 60, here we had also 30 and 60, and the same situation right here. So basically just tap on the option you'd like to use, and it will be immediately applied, and your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.